got your highbrow shoes on your feet and you wear them around like it ain't. But you don't know the way that you look when your steps make that much noise. Shh, I got you all figured out. You need everyone's eyes just to feel seen behind your makeup. Nobody knows who you even are. Who do you think that you are? If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would already have you up under my arm. I used up all of my tricks. I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're cooler than me. You got designer shades just to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're cooler than me. And you never say hey yo, remember my name, and it's probably 'cause you think you're cooler than me. Cooler than me. Cool with me.
Yeah, man. So we back in the club with our bodies rocking from side to side, side to